Hey guys, it's Anna and welcome to my channel. Today's video is probably going to be a little bit of a shorter one just because we're reviewing one product today, but it's a very special product and I think it deserves its own video. So today we're going to be reviewing the new Smashbox and Vlada collaboration. This is their Petal Metal Highlighter. So if you guys don't know who Vlada is, she's a makeup artist and she's most well known for her lip art. Like, check out her Instagram, she's incredible. So she came out with a whole rose gold themed makeup collection with Smashbox. This is the only product that I purchased from the collection just because it was the only thing that interested me. But holy crap, this is the most beautiful makeup component I've ever seen in my life. So this is what the outside packaging looks like. We have a little bit of a pop-up pop art moment going on right here with the lips and the rose. And when we open it up, truly I have never seen a presentation more beautiful than this highlighter right here. I am so impressed with the layout of this, the look of it. It is so luxurious. And I don't know if you guys can tell, this is mainly rose gold, but when you shift it in the light, it also has a little bit of like a silver duochrome look to it. And then this is what the actual highlighter looks like. It's mainly a light champagne gold color, but it also has a little bit of like a pink pearlescent shift to it. So this retails for $39, so $40, and it comes in 3 different shades. So this one is called Gilded Rose, which is the lightest of the 3. They also have one called Rosemantic, which is more of your true rose gold shade. And then they also have a Sephora exclusive shade, which is a little bit more pinky looking. So before I try it out, I wanted to read the claims online. So it says it's a collection of gel powder highlighters that wrap skin in ultra flattering rose gold radiance. Each features a clear base formula, which sounds amazing. I hate when highlighters have that like heavy cast because then it makes it more difficult for a huge variety of skin tones to pull off. That allows for the purest possible reflection of light with a super smooth feel that won't emphasize uneven skin texture. Amazing. Hopefully that's true. And this can be used on the face and eyes. So I think we've already established that I'm absolutely obsessed with this packaging. It feels heavy, it feels nice. It's plastic, but it's not like cheap feeling plastic. And I think it's time to try it out. So before I try it on my face, I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this for you guys really quick. So that is what it looks like. Oh my gosh. Honestly, the swatch doesn't look overly blinding. It looks pretty natural, but the color itself is so beautiful. The formula itself feels really smooth. It's not dry at all. I'm not feeling any gel-like consistency with it because it claimed that it was a gel powder highlighter. I'm only getting the powder part of that, but we'll see how this translates on the face. So I'm going to be using my Morphe M510 to apply this. I'm going to dip into the pan. Oh wow. Oh my gosh. I honestly can't get over this color. I don't have a highlighter like this in my collection. I have so many champagne gold highlighters, but this just has such a different, beautiful shift to it. And it looks so natural, not like, oh, you can't see the highlighter because hello, you definitely can, but it's not that metallic looking highlighter. It doesn't look fake. It's that beautiful, glossy, wet sheen on the skin, which is honestly like my favorite type of highlighter. I'm so impressed. It's so buildable. It's not making my skin look chunky. Like, I have some highlighters where if I apply too much, it starts to just look a little bit cakey, but this looks so incredibly beautiful and like finely milled on my skin. It's not the most blinding highlighter in the world, but you can still definitely see it. I just think it looks very tasteful, not powdery like in the slightest. It's not leaving like a color cast on my skin at all, so when I look forward, it's not like I'm getting a stripe of gold or pink or anything like that. I feel like this would be such a beautiful universal shade, and they have 2 other shades if you don't like this one in particular. I love it. I love it so much. It looks so perfectly one with my skin. So yeah, I recommend this. I wholeheartedly recommend this and love it. You're gonna see me wearing this all of the time, and it's limited edition, so grab it while you can. So that is all for me today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and make sure to subscribe down below if you haven't already. If you might want to see me in any more videos, I would appreciate it so, so much. I hope you guys are all having an amazing day, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!